welcome to Shweta's Craft Tree. Today I'll be sharing an art journal page with you. For that, I have cut few pieces of die cut, circle shape from a normal magazine, and I'll be applying these circle cutouts in a random manner with the help of a fabric glue. Right now I don't have any plan about what we are going to make. Also, I would like to give you an overview about what is art journaling, as so many of you have asked me. So an art journal, it is a book which is kept by an artist as a visual. So it generally combines of visual journaling, like we are making something with the help of colors, with the cutouts, and also writing them, and after that you create a finished page. So basically it is the art journaling that we do it for our own self. So I had this beautiful magazine with me, so I thought, why not use it. So I was very tempted to use few pages from that magazine. So I cut out the die cuts, the circle die cuts, and then I'm here randomly pasting them with the help of fabric glue. As you can see, I'm not bothering about which color to come first and which color to come last. You can choose random spaces, random colors. That's why it is the most amazing thing about art journaling. You don't have to think about anything. You just keep on making things. Once I feel that something is missing, so I keep on adding the circles till I find that everything is perfect, and then we can definitely move on to the second step. Here I have cut all the sides, the extra cutouts from the sides of the journal page. Now I have taken a stencil, that is the honeycomb stencil, and used crackle paste to create a textured background. So I'll be basically working on both the pages. So just to make it more interesting, I'm using stencils on different spaces. After that, I chosen another stencil, and with the same texture paste, I have used crackle paste. Now I am doing the same thing on the other page also. Once I am satisfied with the design, with the placement of the crackle paste, I will move on the second step. As you can see, there are crackles that have occurred after I have heat dried it with a heat gun. Now I am applying a light layer of gesso, white gesso. You can use acrylic also, but I had white gesso, so I am using that. Why I am doing that is just to merge the cutouts that I have placed on the paper with the white background of the journal page. You can use brush. I find using my fingers more, it's easier for me to do that, so I'm doing this way only. So basically it's like how you feel comfortable. Now we are going to move on to the next step, which is coloring the page with the help of watercolors. I'm using normal camel watercolors. So here I have placed a bit of watercolor, and then I have used a spray bottle to move the color around the page. You keep on adding color and then spreading it with the help of water spray till the time you find that the effect is looking good. I keep on adding the color on the sides of the paper. And as you can see, once the watercolors gets dry, it actually take a lighter shade. So I make sure that I add more color, or maybe keep on adding more layers of color onto it. As you can see here, the cracks can be seen. Same way I'll be doing on the other side of the paper too. That way I'm actually creating a faded effect with the help of colors and water spray. If you find that the color is more, you can definitely use your tissue paper to clean the color. I have used a normal cloth which is available with me right that time. I was still not getting the right effect, so I keep on adding the colors till the time it seems okay with me. The art journal that I'm using is actually a watercolor journal. So you can use any book with a thick paper, and if you don't have a thick paper book, then also you can definitely use a normal book and just paste 2-3 pages so that you have a thicker page. Now I have used black pencil colors to create a shadow, so that to give a proper look to the cutouts that I have pasted. I have done this just to enhance the beauty of the paper with the help of black and white pencil. White was not at all visible, so I just left that, and I was using black only. You can use any material which is available with you. You can use oil pastels also. In my coming videos also I will try to cover all the options which is available, which you can use. Now I have taken some stamps and I am just randomly stamping the paper, basically on the sides, not on the middle, because I don't want to disturb the circle design that I have created. right? So I have used normal stamp with the help of archival ink, and this one is my favorite stamp, which is the script stamp that I keep on using, that I keep on coming back to. So just to give that vintagey look to it, I'm just giving some random stamping here and there to the page. Now I have stamped one quote, "Believe in you," with the help of stamp and archival ink black. I have cut them in small pieces, and then I am sticking them in the center of your page. You can see the placement, and then definitely you can work around it. Now after pasting, I'm just creating a shadow again with the help of black pencil color. This way you create depth in your page. Just randomly put some black pencil color. Complete. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.